If you want your clothes to look cleaner, feel softer, and smell amazing, it might be time to rethink your laundry routine with the right detergent. The perfect laundry detergent not only removes tough stains and odors, but also keeps your fabrics fresh, vibrant, and long-lasting. But with so many laundry detergents on the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 8 best laundry detergents. Whether you're looking for the best laundry detergent for stains, the best for sensitive skin, or the most eco-friendly option, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 8 is the all-liquid laundry detergent. This is the best detergent for sensitive skin on our list. It's free of perfumes and dyes, so you won't have to worry about irritating your skin. On top of that, it's also hypoallergenic, dermatologist recommended, and safe for the whole family, including babies. This detergent is 2 times concentrated, so you get more cleaning power in every drop. One bottle can handle up to 110 loads of laundry, making it budget-friendly and long-lasting. Whether you're washing gym clothes, bed sheets, or everyday outfits, this formula fights dirt, stains, and odors like a pro, while still being gentle on fabrics. Plus, it's unscented, so your clothes just come out smelling clean, not like a cloud of perfume. However, if you prefer your clothes to come out smelling like flowers or lavender, then this detergent might not be for you. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, gentle, and skin-friendly laundry detergent, all liquid laundry detergent is a fantastic choice. Number 7 is the Gain Flings. This is the best pod laundry detergent on our list. These pods pack a punch with 3 powerful ingredients in one: detergent, Oxiboost, and Febreze. That means they clean your clothes, fight tough stains, and leave them smelling fresh and fantastic. With 81 pods in the container, you'll have enough to handle weeks of laundry, making it a great value. The pre-measured pods are convenient. Just toss one in your washer and you're good to go. Plus, they're safe for all kinds of fabrics, so you can use them for everything from gym clothes to towels. This detergent gives you up to 6 weeks of freshness from the moment you wash your clothes to the time you wear them. Plus, these pods pack 50% more scent than Gain's liquid detergent, so your laundry smells extra amazing. Even though pods are one of the most convenient forms of detergent, this may not be for you if you prefer more control, especially if you do larger loads. Another thing to keep in mind is that pods can pose a safety risk if you have young kids or pets at home, so make sure you keep them out of reach and secure. Overall, Gain Flings is a great choice if you value convenience. Number 6 is the Molly's Suds Original Laundry Powder. This is the best powder detergent on our list. This detergent is made with just 5 natural, non-toxic ingredients, and if you have sensitive skin or allergies, you don't have to worry about any irritation from it. It's free of synthetic fragrances, dyes, and harsh chemicals, so you can trust it to clean your clothes without irritating your skin. One bag gives you 70 loads, which is incredibly efficient for how little you need to use per wash. This detergent is effective at removing dirt and stains while being gentle on fabrics. It's unscented, so your clothes just come out smelling fresh and clean without any overpowering artificial smell. This detergent is eco-friendly too. It's safe for septic systems, and the ingredients are biodegradable, so you can feel good about helping the planet while doing your laundry. It works great in all types of washing machines, including high-efficiency ones, and it even does the job in cold water, which is perfect for saving energy. Overall, it's a reliable choice for families and anyone wanting a cleaner, more natural laundry routine. Number 5 is the Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets. This is the most eco-friendly laundry detergent on our list. Instead of a bulky plastic jug, you get 30 thin sheets that can handle up to 60 loads of laundry. They're lightweight, mess-free, and dissolve completely in water, making them a convenient option for home or even travel. Each sheet is concentrated with powerful cleaning ingredients that tackle stains, odors, and dirt while being gentle on your clothes. Plus, they come in a fresh scent that leaves your laundry smelling amazing without being too overpowering. Plus, by skipping the plastic jug, you're helping reduce waste, and the packaging is completely biodegradable. However, while the packaging is plastic-free and biodegradable, some people might find the upfront cost a bit higher compared to traditional detergents. Overall, Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets are an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine and reduce their environmental impact. And if you want to know the latest prices for the laundry detergents discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 is the Hex Performance Laundry Detergent. This is the best stain and odor remover detergent on our list. With its concentrated formula, you only need to use a little bit for each load, helping your detergent last longer. A pack of 2 gives you enough detergent for 64 loads. This detergent thoroughly cleans synthetic fabrics like polyester, spandex, and nylon, which are commonly found in workout clothes. It helps break down odors, sweat, and stains that regular detergents can leave behind. Plus, it's eco-friendly, so it's safe for the environment, with a formula that's biodegradable and free of harsh chemicals. The fresh and clean scent leaves your clothes smelling great without being overpowering. And it's still gentle on fabrics, but tough on grime, so your clothes stay looking good and fresh. However, its formula is designed specifically for synthetic fabrics like those found in workout clothes, so it might not be as effective on natural fabrics like cotton. Plus, the fresh and clean scent might be a bit too strong for some people, especially those sensitive to fragrances. But if you're particularly sensitive to scent, this product comes in an unscented formula as well. Overall, if you're someone who works out regularly or has a lot of activewear, Hex Performance Laundry Detergent is a great choice. Number 3 is the Gain Original Laundry Detergent. This is the best scented laundry detergent on our list. With its original scent, it fills your clothes with a long-lasting, fresh fragrance that's sure to brighten your day every time you open the laundry. This detergent is designed to handle 90 loads in total, so it's perfect for keeping your laundry routine stocked up for a while. Plus, the Aroma Boost feature adds an extra layer of fragrance to your clothes, keeping them smelling amazing throughout the day. However, if you're sensitive to fragrances, the original scent might be a bit too strong for you, as it's designed to provide long-lasting freshness. Additionally, while it's effective for regular laundry, it might not be as powerful on tough stains, so you might need a stain remover for more stubborn marks. This detergent is great at tackling everyday dirt and stains while still being gentle on your fabrics, whether you're washing clothes, towels, or sheets. Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent gives you the perfect balance of cleaning power and freshness. Number 2 is the Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean Odor Blasters. This is the best value laundry detergent on our list. This detergent is made to tackle tough smells, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. The Fresh Burst scent is light and refreshing, so your laundry smells great without being too overpowering. One bottle gives you 166.5 fluid ounces, which means you can get up to 128 loads of laundry, making it a great value. It combines the cleaning power of Arm & Hammer baking soda with OxiClean, so it works hard to break down odors and stains, even the tough ones. The formula works in both standard and high-efficiency washing machines, and it's effective in both hot and cold water. While the fragrance may not be for everyone and it may require extra attention for stubborn stains, this detergent is an excellent choice for those looking for an effective, affordable, and odor-fighting solution. Number 1 is the Tide Ultra Oxi Liquid Laundry Detergent. This is the best overall laundry detergent on our list. This detergent fights stains and odors with its Oxi Power formula, which helps break down even the most stubborn dirt, grease, and grime. Whether it's a spilled drink or a muddy workout, it gets the job done. One bottle contains 132 fluid ounces of detergent, which is enough for up to 94 loads of laundry. That's a lot of cleaning power packed into one bottle. This detergent is perfect for families or anyone who deals with tough stains regularly. It works on all kinds of fabrics, including activewear, towels, and everyday clothing, and leaves everything smelling fresh. Plus, the liquid formula is easy to pour and measure, making laundry day a little less messy. While it may not be the best option for those with fragrance sensitivities or very tough stains, it's a solid, reliable detergent for everyday laundry needs, especially for families or anyone who deals with activewear or heavy-duty cleaning. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect laundry detergent much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, We would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.